Let's go now with solving trigonometric equations. Questions number 133 to 144. Solve the given trigonometric equations. Find all solutions in the interval of 0 and 2 pi. So 133, we have 2 sine x minus 1 equals 0. So ang solution natin is 2 sine x. So we will transfer, no? Hanapin natin si sin x. Sin x, transfer everything except sin x to the right of the equation. So we'll have positive 1 dahil negative dito, no? Positive doon. So transfer natin doon, siya ay multiplication. So sa kabila siya ay division. So we have 1/2. Okay? Sin x equals 1/2. Solutions are sa interval na 1/2, 0 and 2 pi, then we will have pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. Okay? So 1, 6 and 5 over 6. So actually makikita mo rin to sa table, no? So hindi ko na nilalagay yung derivation niya, basta nasa table naman siya. So 134, we have sin x equals tan x equals 0. So alam natin si tan ay, so lipat natin si tan doon sa kabila. Gawin natin 0 yan. So may siyang negative. So si tan alam natin, equivalent siya sa sin x over cosine. Yan. So we have sin x minus cosine x. So to solve this, we will be having 1 over cosine x. Dahil meron tayong identity, no? Na ito yung identity ni tan x. And then pag finactor natin, ito, we will have the following. Sin x 1 minus 1 over cos sin x, okay, equals 0. So sa kanyang interval, yung interval niya uli ay x equals 0 and cosine x equals 1. X lang pala to, x. Okay. X equals 0. The second factor is 1 minus 1 over cosine x equals 0. For 135, we have to factor the equation. 2 cosine x minus 1 equals 0. So first factor natin, cosine x equals 1/2 and x equals negative 1. 136, tan x equals 1. To solve the equation, you must find the solutions to two equations. Tan x equals 1 and tan x equals negative 1. So for this, we have the solution, and so nasa table yan. For the second, we have x. Yan yung second solution. 137 pa pala. We have 137. So we have to factor. So we have to see sin x plus 1 and sin x minus 3 equals 0. So the first factor, if we have 0, then x we have this one. We have x equals 1/2. Hindi pala 1/2. 7 pi. 7 over 6 pi. And 11 over 6 pi. Okay? For the second, we have no solution. 138. One side of the equation, kukunin natin yung identity niya. So, cotangent kasi is equal to, sulat natin, cosine x is equal to using the identity cosine x over sine x. Then we will have equal 0. Teka, maling nasulat ko. Ay, lilipat pa pala natin. Ay, lipat natin, gawin natin negative. Yan, naging 0 na siya sa kabila. So, using another identity and factoring equal 0. First factor natin is sa cosine x. Ito. First factor equals 0. We have x equals pi over 2 and 3 over 2 pi. Sa second, which is ito, we have x equals 1 and pi over 2. So hanggang dito na lang muna tayo sa 138. Yung 139 to 142 ay medyo mahaba yung kanyang computation. No? So, yung ating quiz for this coming Sunday, please prepare hanggang 138. Yung ating first part ng midterm. No? Okay, so maganda sa quiz up to 10 items. Okay?